I've had this cabinet down in my shop here, my wood shop, for quite a while, and the bottom drawer is very difficult to open, mainly because I've only got one handle here to pull it open. And I've always been putting off working on this, trying to find a new handle for it. And it's just a junk type cabinet drawer. And I thought there's got to be some way to quickly make a knob that I can just stick on there. So that's what this little project is going to be. I'm going to put together a quick knob to see if I can use it on this drawer and open it. Nothing fancy, but might be useful.
Together, together, always together, that's how it used to be. Together, together, heedless of weather, now there is only me. We stroll the lane together, laughed at the rain together, sang love's refrain together, and we'd both pretend it would never end. One day we cried together, cast love aside together. You're gone from me, but in my memory we always will be together. We stroll the lane together, laughed at the rain together, sang love's refrain together, and we'd both pretend it would never end. One day we cried together, cast love aside together. You're gone from me,